बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and stunning crochet sewing different craft ideas for your home decor. So guys, if you are new on my channel, these are very stunning and very unique and very classy sewing craft ideas for you guys. These are top trending and most beautiful sewing ideas for you guys. So viewers, always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are very pretty and these are very stunning craft work for you guys. So guys, hope so you like this video. And you must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very stunning, very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. If you want to make these type of graphic at your homes, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload more videos about this, and you guys also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of graphic at your homes. So guys, always think positive, always be positive. These are very stunning and very beautiful ideas for you guys. Always take care guys, always be happy and remember me in your prayers. These are very beautiful and very stunning ideas for you guys. So viewers, always take care and keep supporting my channel, keep watching.